I'm Bhairavi. With me, you know, that's Chef Amrish, the head chef from Rang Mahal by Atul Kochar. Welcome once again.
Thank you, Bhairavi. Yes.
Right?
So basically, Bhairavi, what we have done in this particular recipe, we will be making something similar to jungly mutton.
Okay.
But there will be some flavors which are traveling from Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
So there's a dish in Andhra Pradesh called Mamsa Murial, which is quite similar to jungly mutton.
Okay.
So we'll do a balance of jungly mutton and the Andhra mutton here.
All right.
So to start with, I will add some oil.
So we go in with 2 spoons of vegetable oil,
Yes.
followed by some masala.
Yeah, followed by we'll add some whole spices.
All right.
Like the normal tradition goes in Indian food.
Yeah.
Heat the oil, add some spices,
Yeah.
allow them to splutter.
Right.
There goes the bay leaf.
Okay.
Can you pass me cardamom and
Sure.
cinnamon as well?
There you go. Cardamom. And we have some
Cinnamon.
cinnamon. There it is.
And the spices are almost spluttered.
Yeah.
At this stage, we will add a bowl of onion. And like for this particular dish, we'll be cooking the onions till golden brown stage because we are looking for a really dark brown color in the Andhra mutton or
Okay.
jungly mutton.
Okay. Some
The
ginger.
Ginger. And once the onions are like brown enough, we'll add the lamb.
Okay. All right. So the onions look almost ready to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So at this stage, we can add some grated ginger.
Okay.
Here we go with some ginger. Then maybe then we can pass in some our lamb.
What?
The lamb, yeah.
Lamb. Yes, I know what lamb looks like. Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah. All right.
And now we'll saute the lamb in this
Okay.
masala, and followed by we'll add some spices.
Okay. So how can I help you with the spices?
So like basically this process we call it sweating of meat.
Where of
So,
course they get rid of
yeah.
the moisture and
Yeah.
we get some gravy to work with. Right.
So we'll add some salt first,
Some salt. Okay, how
There.
much salt can I help you with?
2 spoons. Yeah,
1 and
2.
2. All right.
Then you can add some coriander powder. Here we go with coriander powder.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, and
3.
4.
Okay.
You can see the onions are very velvety now
Yeah.
at this stage. So we'll add some turmeric powder.
So that's about
2
2 spoons. 2 spoons turmeric powder, and we're putting in some Kashmiri lal mirch.
Lal mirch.
So 2 spoons of that as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now we got that color going.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is this something that looks brown?
This will be again will be like a dark brown colored dish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Jungly mutton.
Jungly mutton should look like that only.
Right, yeah.
And at this stage, almost the lamb is sautéed, and the oil have coming on the sides, and we can add our tomato puree.
Okay.
Here we go with the tomato puree, 1 bowl, and
And another one?
the second one.
Okay. So 2 bowls of tomato puree.
Now we'll reduce the flame
Right.
and we'll cook the mutton on a very slow flame
Okay.
for like 25 to 30 minutes. Because if you do the cooking on a high flame, the texture of the mutton will not be soft, will not be tender. So Bhargavi, almost the mutton is ready now. So
Alright.
let's check. I'll just reduce the flame. We need to be a little careful because the moment we are opening it, a lot of steam will be coming
Yeah.
out. So we need to be a little careful while opening the
Okay.
lid. When the lid is on the pot. So you can see the mutton
Yeah.
is almost cooked.
It's a rich brown
Yeah.
color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now what we'll do, we will add a spoonful of
Is that tamarind?
tamarind.
Okay.
Again, tamarind is something very, very
Rich in taste.
rich in taste and also used a lot in Andhra cooking. We have got some
Cashew paste.
cashew paste.
That's 2 spoons of cashew paste.
One and a half.
One and a half.
One
One
and
and a half. Okay.
And then I'll put some curry leaves.
Okay.
I will put some roasted coconut,
Okay.
basically grated roasted coconut.
I think we're just about done.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I'll add some ginger julienne.
All right.
If you can pass me some coriander leaves.
Some coriander
Crushed coriander.
leaves. Yeah.
Yeah. We can put maybe half of this.
Okay.
There we go. And then we will add maybe half or a tablespoon of ghee.
Ghee, finally.
Yeah. And if you can help me with the garam masala,
Sure.
we can add some garam masala.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much shall I add?
Maybe you can add 2 spoons. Maybe one and a half will be good. Yeah. Half a spoon more. Yeah.
All right.
So I think our Andhra mutton
Our jungly mutton.
or mamsam video
Yeah.
is ready to serve. We can
All right,
we'll plate
and-
it in a plate.
This is basically, I would call it gift wrapping, right? You treat your food as a present for those who come to Rang Mahal. And I
Yes.
think that's why you take presenting food. I mean, all chefs do, but I've noticed how you get like thoda sa zyada excited when it comes to plating.
Here we go
Okay.
with some jungly mutton. And I would love to serve
Yeah.
some pickled vegetables along with this.
Okay.
Can you pass me some pickled carrots?
Sure.
Here we go with
So,
some radish. We'll do the radish second. First with some pickled carrots.
all right.
Can you pass me some pickled cauliflower?
There you go.
Here we go. Some fresh slivers of radish. I think I'll get some fresh mint leaves for this.
Okay.
And I have got some Andhra papadums.
Some Andhra papadam.
Yeah.
All right. So these are basically the small ones, so
The
the
small
smaller
one,
ones,
yeah.
right?
Made of rice flour.
Yeah.
And here over, Mamsa Mirial is ready. Andhra mutton.
There it is.
Jungly mutton.
Jungly mutton taiyar. There we have it with the Andhra papadams. Check it out.